Hey, what's going on, family? You guys can read the title from Business Insider. SoftBank is betting big on Nvidia stock. So we got another business company that's trying to get into the AI space. Apparently, they're looking at AI chips, semiconductor chips. One of Japan's financial sector leaders is jumping headfirst into artificial intelligence. SoftBank wants to develop its own generative AI. Generative AI model specific to the Japanese language. Over the next 2 years, the corporation is expected to invest $960 million into this new venture in order to properly boost its computing facilities. Everyone's coming with AI. Everybody. It's not going to be one facet, one stone left unturned that won't have some type of attribute to artificial intelligence. This is going to be the new wave of the world. So, $960 million. Where's that money going to go? NVIDIA, apparently. Such an endeavor requires highly advanced graphics processing units, GPUs. Like many other tech companies, SoftBank is turning to NVIDIA to supply these essential devices. News of this powerful new customer is helping NVIDIA stock rise today. This comes after the Silicon Valley darling began this week with a dip, though it has since rebounded. There's no denying that SoftBank new AI venture will end up benefiting both its own shares and NVIDIA stock. This comes at a good time for NVIDIA. Despite its impressive growth over the past year, the AI chipmaker has been trending downward over the past month. Wall Street analysts are optimistic that the powerful tech stock will rebound. And I'm going to show you on the chart that is true. That these Wall Street analysts are looking for NVIDIA to not go lower. The chart tells you everything you need to know. But even so, a large-scale order from SoftBank puts it in an excellent position to make up the ground it has lost. The Japanese conglomerate is going all in on its new language model. This means that companies helping build it will enjoy the momentum that will send SoftBank stock up as progress continues. This is what the Nikkei Asia is reporting. Quote, generative AI is starting to be integrated into services and products in various industries. According to the latest forecast by Statistica, a German research specialist, the Japanese generative AI market is expected to grow around $13 billion by 2030, which is 17 times larger than in 2023. So everything just looks great right now, right? There's no clouds on the horizon. There's no clouds in the sky. Everyone just go ahead and dump all your money into NVIDIA because apparently the optimism is like AI is going to be everything. It's going to save our lives. It's going to be into everything. It's going to be in the services. It's going to be in the products. So go ahead and dump the money in NVIDIA because NVIDIA is going to be the savior of the world. Well, I'm not saying all that, but the chart tells us a lot. See that? I did a price prediction in NVIDIA, and I told you back here on the 4th, maybe the 5th of April, that we were looking for NVIDIA to go down. These three zones are buy zones. The market initially did bounce off of our first buy zone. They didn't show up on our second, but those buyers definitely came here at our third one. Congratulations to those who also predicted the move down in NVIDIA. We could get rid of it now. Now, check this out. Back here at the top of the article, it read that Wall Street analysts are optimistic that the powerful tech stock will rebound. How could they make such a statement in this article? I'm going to show you. Okay. Now, when you look at price charts, understand that it is a language. It is the actions of every market participant on a given certain time frame. And it tells us precisely what the general idea or consensus is of that time of that day. Okay. So we're looking at NVIDIA stock. Right here, would you all admit that there wasn't a good day right there on April the 19th? The market in Nvidia went down 10%, right? Would you agree with that? Okay, cool. The volume on this particular day, April 19th, would you agree that it is high? Take a look at it. When you compare it to all of the other volume bars around it, somebody really felt nervous on April the 19th. When you see this much price spread, 10% down, this much volume, you're expecting another result to occur. You're expecting the price of the stock to continue to go down, because apparently somebody was really rushing to get this stock off their hands. So the next trading day, you'll be looking for the price to continue in that direction. Question: did that happen? Did that happen? Did this stock in Nvidia, the next trading day, go down? No, it went up. The market closed higher than the previous day's close, 4.35%. Now, where did all of the volume from the previous day go? Who came through and bought all of the selling that occurred in Nvidia there? Because this volume just didn't disappear. That's how you can tell that the market bought this selling. Somebody bought that selling the next day. It could have been SoftBank. It could be Kathy Wood. I don't know who it could be. But somebody had enough money to come in and swoop up this Nvidia stock around $760. Because they was like, yes, about time for this stock to come back down to these levels. Because I've been waiting for weeks for the market to come back down. And now I'm ready to buy. Because the market didn't go down. It went right back up. That is how Business Insider is stating that Wall Street analysts are optimistic. Now, I like that. That tells me as long as the price in Nvidia trades above what, $760, $770, the market, if anything, is going to consolidate. I'm not looking for it to go down as long as price trades above that level. So let's say that the market in Nvidia does like this. Let's say that it goes like this. So we have the market move down, right? Bam. So we got the buyers. The buyers confirmed that they're there. Let's say that the market begins to go up and then immediately come right back down. And the market holds it. The buyers are still there. But then price makes a small rally. I won't be expecting the market to hold that 760, 770 price range. So I don't think that the market is through with testing this area. We may in fact come back down. So don't think that this is the exact bottom. We will, in my opinion, come back down and test that range again. As we continue to see this market price go up, there will be levels to where sellers would be, like right here. Okay, this is the sell zone. So we may see Nvidia on the short-term basis try to make a run back up to these areas. Definitely right around here. Okay, so that's why in pre-market it is trading around $843. Right here at this sell zone. Okay. So yeah, I am going to look for the market in Nvidia to trend to the upside though. Look at that on the 2-day chart. Another thing for me to break down for you. This 2-day price bar, look at the spread of the bar. Very wide. The volume also is heavy, right? We also get that indication of weakness, looking for the stock in Nvidia to go down. Did that happen? See, this was a buying opportunity. The market is telling us that this was a buying opportunity. Because on this 2-day price bar, look at the spread comparative to the last two. It's a lot smaller and the volume is heavier. Charts don't lie. You just got to understand how to dissect and see what's going on in the market. See that on the 3. All this volume, Market traded this low, but it closed up here at the high of the bar, meaning that buyers came into the stock. Here it is on the 5. So hopefully you guys get it. I am going to look for price in Nvidia to trend up. Our target support area is going to be down here on the low that occurred on the 19th of April. And I'm not going to look for this sell zone to hold because market is already in pre-market trading at that area. I'm going to look for it to come up to like 890 all the way up to like 908, either at the low or the high of that sell zone, and we'll see. So yeah, that's it. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.